I'm working on time.
Penny X.
What up? So, we're actually on the way to the gas station right up here, the Shell. We're meeting up with a couple homies, and then we're going to the first meet of the season that I'm putting on. And it's going to be a good time. I don't expect it to be like very big at all. It should be like probably 10-15 people. And it's just going to be a good time. Like, get some ice cream, just kick it. It'll be a good time. I'm excited. I don't know how many people are meeting at the gas station. I just said, hey, I'm gonna be here at about like 5:45. If anyone wants to meet there and cruise over, I'll be there. I don't need gas or anything. I already got gas, but I just figured that'd be a good spot to meet and then go, you know. But yeah, so we'll be there. It's like we're literally right up there, right up there. So yeah, no, it's been a minute. Nothing to do on the bike yet. I mean, I got plans to do stuff. I just don't have the funds right now. And I gotta actually, after my Dever X blew up, I got the opportunity to buy a 2018 STI that had a good handful of stuff done to it. I didn't plan to buy it. It just kind of went and checked it out. I was like, you know, let's just see what happens. If it works out, it works out. If not, whatever. If the price is right for the payment, I'll do it. And if not, whatever. And yeah, dude, it fucking worked out, and the rest was kind of history. I've had it since November. I actually took it with my dad to Indiana and back for the 500, and perfectly good. And yeah, no, it was fun. I like it. I kind of wish I went with an STI the first time. I see 3 people. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What up, y'all? Huh? What? You see it. We are gonna be cruising to get ice cream.
You park so close.
Alright, we good? We good?
Kevin's complaining about his park spot.
We good? Me?
Wait. You guys hear me?
Yes. Ready? Damn it, I didn't get any air on that. Oh boy, this should be good, because we got, what, 6 vehicles now? I hear my bike in your headset.
The brakes are a little squishy.
Yeah, gotta do steel braided lines.
Damn, what did you put something in your gas?
It's just my mixed gas.
Oh, it's fucking pump.
Yeah, it's VP in 93, man. We can wait for him too if we need. I guess I could have picked a better spot like Dysart, so we can all just pull right instead of cross. Whoops. I hear the 636. Is that him back there? Yeah, that is a little potent, huh? Sweet, I like it. I didn't even put that much in. That was a dead mouse.
Just go slow.
I had a bug in my eye. Yeah. Ah, it's bugging me. Haha. He was like, haha. Yeah, I don't think so, because that first light changed and it's a long light. Watch the little dip there. Harley, ooh.
Just trying not to go for that spiker, right?
It's a little busy. It's fine though. Our spot's open though, so fuck it.
Want me to park like so close to you, you can't move?
No,
Because I can do that.
I know, you're professional. Alright, now left. Cut it.
Left, right. I do it.
Here. I got you. Oh, I was gonna let you stay on it. I was just gonna push, but that's fine too.
Absolutely not. Oh, look at the...
Hey, they weren't that far behind. They probably did do 100 on the interstate to catch up. Howdy. Yeah, we're gonna park at Dysart's next time. I just like the shell better. I don't know why.
Because you can get gas there.
Yeah, that's true. Type R. Ooh. 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 Oh, Kev with the GoPro on today? Hell yeah, brother. Hi. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Meet was awesome. It was perfect. It was exactly what I wanted it to be. It was like 10-15 people, just nice chill time. Everyone got to have a good time, get some ice cream, just kick it. It was awesome. Talked to the owner a little bit. She's hoping we get better weather so we can start doing it a little more frequently, because she likes seeing us over there with all the cars and bikes. So was awesome to catch up with her a little bit. But yeah, now it might look a little different because I took the ND filter off. We got the regular filter, the regular lens cap on now for the good old sunset. I didn't think, I thought it might be too dark of a filter for how light it is right now. So yeah, we'll probably see some good flames tonight on the way home. Cruising with Colt. Yeah. It's a little chilly with the hoodie too. I didn't hear a word he said. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Flamethrower! I try and have this mirror set up so I can see the flames, as dumb as that sounds, because this side, for whatever reason, I can't get the lens to go up high enough to actually use it to see behind me. This one's fine, but this side I can't get to work, so I just use it to see my flames at night. He's cold. Yeah, I was surprised when I saw him in a t-shirt on the bike because it was getting dark soon. It was starting to cool off. I didn't expect it to cool off this fast, but because I'm chilly and I got a hoodie on. That was a good one. You want to play Rocket League?
I might hop on.
Chris,
I gotta cook dinner and shit, bro.
oh yeah. Chris said he was probably going to get on to play, so I'm probably going to... Chris is getting on to play, so I figured I'd hop on and play with him. Some car ball. Some car ball. Dude, that one was a good one.
Yeah, dude, I had one leaving the gym where it was like 12 o'clock. No one was around.
Yeah.
That one was pretty good.
So his bike with the stock tune, it like cuts out at a certain RPM. It doesn't have like a limiter, the bike just cuts out. So you'll also get a tune, so you can actually have a rev limiter. Turn it up a little bit. That's probably going to be it for the video. I mean, I just wanted to do a little vlog to like talk to everybody and like say what's up, because I haven't done like a video yet. So I mean, it's kind of, it is what it is. And that was a cop. And another one right there. Freaking busy night, I guess. But yeah, so I just wanted to, back to what I was saying, I just wanted to make a video of like for tonight, of like a little vlog, say what's up to you guys, because I haven't done a video in fucking a year now, bro, almost. Just been crazy. The weather's been shit. It's probably like the 3rd time total I've actually brought the bike out. Lied, 4th. Yeah, 4th time, because I took it to work like 3 times. That was it. And then today, because I needed a tire and all this other shit. And it's been raining. It's been 11 weekends, I think. If it rains this weekend, it'll be 11 weekends in a row where it's rained. Yeah, so if you like the video, like the fucking video, please. And hopefully we'll be doing more shit with the boys, so we can kind of do like more vlogging on my other camera that actually has like fucking awesome quality. It's nothing crazy by any means. It was like $200 camera, $300 camera, but it shoots good video. So yeah, we're probably gonna do like a barbecue or something with the boys. And yeah, that's probably about it. So I'll catch y'all later.